The goal of nature conservation is to protect flora and fauna species from extinction, maintaining and restoring habitats, enhancing ecosystem, and protecting biological diversity. The IUCN Red List Species Conservation is intended to be an easily and widely understood international system for classifying species at high risk of global extinction. The IUCN Red List informs and catalyzes action towards biodiversity conservation. Since 2018, Gamuda has been a participatory for the IUCN Red List Species Conservation. Through the biodiversity audit in our Gamuda developments, we scientifically measured the livability and habitability of species at the environment of our townships. We intend to preserve and transplant at least 5% of these valuable tree species, which homes various fauna species at the all-new Gamuda land townships subject to site feasibility. We run an annual audit to monitor the biodiversity at the townships. The audit outcomes assist in understanding the biodiversity state on site and evaluate our species monitoring, recovery or retention rate through our various conservation efforts. Our key conservation initiatives include conducting tree preservation survey, tree planting, nature interpretive board with QR code application, tree tagging, and topsoil harvesting, among others. Biodiversity is our topmost priority and acts as a guide to a well-planned, clean, safe, and accessible environment for all living beings.